I know some of you have traveled for 48 hours straight to reach here. Okay. Yes, some people are here from Ludhiana. Ludhiana, somebody is here? I think somebody called Vikas is here. Okay. Well, we have people from 35 locations from all over India and different. Yeah.
Welcome to Traders Carnival 2012. I know this is first for most of us. For some of us to organize an event like this and for some of you to attend this event. The agenda was sort of, it from left to right, without any specific agenda in the first place. And we figured out a lot of brainstorming sessions happened, discussions with a whole lot of people from different forums. We have two forums primarily represented here today. How many of you are from iCharts? Okay, thank you. And how many from Technical Investor at Yahoo Group? Okay, I think the ruling and the opposition parties are in equal force. Yeah. So, the funny part is when I created a website and details on Traders Carnival, probably about 2 months earlier, so first week of September or so it started. Did anybody ever think of or got reminded of Nigeria? No, but seriously, I surprised myself and I checked with a few people from the forum. My friends, Abhishek is here, is one of the speakers too. And he said, you should put a photograph, otherwise people will really think it's a scam. So now I'm surprised. We're expecting about 50 to 60 people to join in, but the kind of response that we see here today is amazing. I'm surprised, I'm glad. And in fact, today is also my birthday, so I will consider this a very good birthday present. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry? Cake, the doctors put me on a liquid diet, so I can't eat cake. AM or PM? Oh yeah, we have chocolates all the way for about 2,000 kilometers have been brought by one of our speakers, Shiva Galrani. Can you please stand, Shiva? Hey, thank you. He's got chocolates for all of us from Dubai. He lives in Dubai, works in Dubai. He's basically from Bangalore, good friend, and we interact heavily on for the forum Technical Investor as well as on Twitter. Okay, and he has chocolates for all of us, which he will share with us. And regarding the mobile phones, basically one request I have is, because these sessions, this is going to be an introductory session. I will talk about the framework about what exactly would happen over the next 2 days, how you quantifiably take away or benefit substantial takeaways over the next 2 days. We would have various strategies by different speakers. And the last session is going to be, probably in my opinion, is going to be the most important one. That is going to be on trader psychology and discipline. Now that basically, I am also trying to conquer that war. We can pick up strategies from a book or listen to people or look at, go to the internet and find out various strategies. But in terms of discipline that has to be inculcated within, that probably decides is the single, in my view, and in the view of a lot of other people I have met, very, very experienced and successful traders, that is probably the single most important quality. It cannot be taught. It has to be learned. It has to be inculcated from within. And in the mobile phones, this is a request so that we use these 2 days very seriously and productively, and we take away whatever we can. And one point I would like to make is there are different strategies being discussed. All these 10 strategies would not probably deal with the mindset and the psyche of all of us seated in this room today. There are some specific strategies based on our own mindset, our likes and dislikes, our biases, simply the kind of time there would be. How many are full-time traders here? Can you raise your hands, please? Oh, great. And how many with day jobs and who also part-time? Okay, so obviously we have a good mix of here. I mean, I don't think there are any other options or alternatives available here to that. And the point I was trying to make is, if we can take any strategy and make it our own, find out which strategy you fall in love with. Not all of them would work for you probably, but they are working for people who have devised them. A very, very holistic introduction to the speakers today is, I know most of them personally except for one speaker whom I have not even met. We just talked, interacted online through email, phone, chat, etc. And I requested him to talk today, and he will be talking. The single common factor about most of these speakers who are talking to us, they trade for a living. They're successful traders in their own right. Most of them have something in common, some common thread between them is they have lived abroad for a length of time, come back here, settle down and devise their own strategy, and they've been for at least about 7 years. 7 years is the minimum you would take. You can take it as a benchmark. Okay, so you can take away from them their experiences. They will talk about their successes. They will talk about their failures in terms of the strategy, in terms of they'll probably talk about the strategy, money management and risk management, and being well capitalized, and of course trader discipline. So trader discipline, like I told you about, is probably one of the most important. So if we can, is everybody okay with this, or do you want to just put it on silent? Yeah. But I know it would be difficult to resist the urge to keep looking at it periodically. Okay, so that's the reason why I said, yeah. The thing is, once this commitment is made, any phone that rings during the course of this presentation, the phone will be confiscated and auctioned off to the lowest bidder. That's my guarantee. Okay, so we have people from iCharts and Technical Investor. In fact, iCharts is also one of the sponsors of this event. They have sponsored T-shirts that probably all of us can wear tomorrow and make it an all-black session. Okay, so this is my DuPont experience coming into play, safety exits. So any meeting you talk about where safety exits are when you have to enter a room and how you exit a room. The meet, we have 10 speakers talking about their strategies. And am I going too fast, or you're able to follow me? Yeah. Closer? Oh, thank you. Is it audible and clear? Thanks, Ram. The framework of the meet I was telling you about is the speakers talking about their strategies. They will talk about, it's a combination of various time frames. So whether you are holding a day job and you would have a little time to trade, you enter into trades, you have those kind of strategies. That probably would have the next session. We would have the session known as, a strategy known as 3x5. That would be presented by Vishwanathan. He is known as on the forum. He is very popular on the Technical Investor forum. People from iCharts may not be very familiar with him. But now, we don't have to probably mix only with our own forum kind of thing. We don't need to have some parochial look towards it. Let's go all out, mix. I mean, the idea, basic idea for giving out these badges is people can go to anybody, use yourself. Doesn't matter which location you are from or which forum you are from. You can go out, talk to anybody, introduce yourself, network. That is probably one key takeaway apart from the actual strategy sessions that you are going to listen to here during this day. Breaks would have breaks, suitable breaks spaced out between coffee, lunch, tea, etc. Dinner, followed by dinner between 8 and 8:30. Okay. Apart from the 10 strategy sessions, we would have a sponsored presentation and one talk by ACC. One Reverend Reggie will talk about ECC. They need a 5-minute slot time to talk about their event. They will talk about it sometime today during one of our films that are available. 2-day program, we'll have a quiz by one of our speakers, Abhishek Pathak. He's from Pune. Some of you already know him as AP_Pune on Twitter. Along with some prizes, I conduct a quiz, and obviously it's going to be off topic. You can see people smiling at the off topic reference. Yes, it's true, because we tend to do more of that. Okay, now this is a date. Can somebody tell me the significance of this date? Speakers are prohibited from leaking out the syllabus. Exactly. This was the day, probably the only day Nifty hit upper circuit. But sorry, Spec? Okay, that is factually 100% correct. Meaning, at that point, this was 18th May 2009, I did not know much about technical analysis. I know Spec is going to say even today is not much good. Okay, but at that point in time, I really did not know much about either TA per se or puts and calls, but I know that structurally puts and calls, what it is used for. So I had bought 2 puts and 2 calls, and Monday came through, calls nearly zero, and calls went to about 500%, went up 5 times. Now what I want to say is, this probably was a bad day for me in terms of my personal trading experience, because it set up a false net for me. I thought, the minute this happened, I thought I could buy a villa, go and settle down in the Caribbean islands and drink rum all day and trade. Okay, this is the thought that seriously occurred to me, saying, life is going to be this easy. But at that point in time, there was no discipline, so no adherence to TA principles. It was zero, zilch. So I learned, it was a bad learning experience, and over the period of time, I sort of improved upon my discipline and my skills at TA, and I'm learning a lot from all these people you will hear speak today. There are 10 people who will be speaking today. You hear all 10 of them. They will share their experiences, fine-tune. You can hear their thoughts. Okay, we conducted a quiz on technical investor on only forums, not on iCharts. So we had some quiz winners, and we have had winners, and I congratulate them from half of the TC 2012 team. These are the 2 sponsors: iCharts Technologies from Hyderabad, Shrikant and Manish, the directors of the company, and Malkan View is Vishal Malkan. Hemant, you are here. Vishal, can you stand up, please? Yeah, on the left you have Vishal Malkan wearing a blue shirt, and a gentleman who gives probably John Abraham an inferiority complex. That is Hemant from iCharts. Okay, they are sponsors. Thank you. Okay, this is very, very important. This probably is my, this I feel I have to say this compulsively. When I say compulsively, it means that, even if you don't do anything else, this is going to be of paramount importance. Apart from strategy sessions takeaway, please make notes. During the strategy sessions, when the speakers are speaking, make notes. You have those books and pens with you. Make exhaustive notes. If you have any questions, keep them for the end of the session. And at the end of each session, we will have a 15-minute Q&A. Feel free to ask questions. We'll have this mic being passed around, and you can ask questions for 15 minutes. And should you still have questions, we can take up these questions offline. And most of you are staying in. How many people are staying at the venue? Can you put up your hands, please? Okay, I think we'll do the inverse. How many people are not staying at the venue? Okay, so since a majority of us are staying at the venue, and I presume that people who are not staying are from Bangalore and have a bit of flexibility in terms of driving back to use, or you're from Whitefield itself, so it's easy. So please feel free to ask questions. Okay. And meet other people here. Okay, that part was the strategy part. The strategy sessions, the takeaways. To people networking. Go out, meet. My personal preference would be that everybody here meets every other person for at least 5 minutes during the course of this 2-day program. You go meet yourself, say yourself, okay, hello, my name is James Bond, I am from wherever. Tell me your name, location, what you do, and things like that. I mean, this is our forum. You know, I kept telling people, you know, I am also a trader. I am one of us, kind of thing. This event is not being done by a professional event management company. It's done by a small group of traders, myself, Abhijit, my wife has helped me tremendously, she's the one sitting outside, and a lot of other people. In fact, there's one person coming from Calcutta, is on his way. And plenty of other people. People tell me, give me credit, it's teamwork basically. I tell people, what I do is there are people who are more talented than I am, I only connect the dots. That's all. I know your response to that. Okay, that part is people networking. 2 is chat rooms. How many of you are part of a chat room during market hours? Very few. Okay. Okay, one disclaimer here is for people who are not familiar with the iCharts exclamation, I would call it. Is that an exclamation? Okay, Nifty moves 10 points or 20 points or whatever, you know, that what comes up on the shout box. Sorry. So, yeah, that is part of a chat box, but only thing is that is probably chat box is on iCharts is extended to NSE, commodities, Forex, the entire range, right? So the discussions are more of a generic nature. Of course, there are a lot of discussions that do happen on that chat box, but I am talking about the Yahoo group kind of chat box. See, I am part of a chat box. I know and I'm proud of it, and the person who hit chat box is here with us today. He has devised a strategy. He has worked abroad for a few years, for about 15 years, come back here, settle down, devised his own strategy, and is part of the trade room. He leads the trade room. He's here today. He will discuss his strategy. That's known as the 3x5 strategy, and in all probability will have that probably as the first session of the day. His name is Nathan. He's from Chennai. Yes, that's Vishwanathan. Good morning, Vish. Okay. So, that is about chat rooms. See if you can get into chat with other people in this room. After you go back to your respective cities and countries, you have 2 people coming from abroad also for this event. So when you get back home, you can be in touch with people by email or chat, number 1. Number 2, it doesn't necessarily have to have similarity or commonality of language or geography. I mean, it doesn't matter. You are from Mysore, Bangalore. You can be in a chat room with somebody else. I mean, if you have the time, that is, if you, in spite of have a day job, in case you need to be in touch with somebody, it doesn't necessarily have to have the same geographic location. GPS is not a factor here. And you know, we can improve upon our trade. We can learn. I am learning from Vishwanathan, from Spec, Naveen Swami. He is one of the speakers too. I am learning from a lot of people. I am learning discipline too. My discipline was so bad that I used to trade like how Virender Sehwag used to bat. You know what is Virender Sehwag's definition of a bad delivery? Virender Sehwag's definition of a bad delivery is one that leaves a bowler's hand. So I used to trade every tick like that. Any tick that comes up, I used to trade. Then, you know, Spec drummed some sense into me, Wish drummed some sense, and a lot of people do that. I am still not where I want to be, but I definitely I am better because I interact and deal with people who are much more experienced and much more sensible, obviously, than I am. So I think, you know, we can all reduce the learning curve, whatever it is. Anyway, I am not an expert. The people who follow me after this talk, they are the experts. I just wanted to give you a framework of a synopsis of how the next 2 days are going to be what they are going to talk about, how you can take away the best of it, and we will ask you questions. We'll ask you. There will be a quiz. Those quizzes, of course, more to ensure that nobody has fallen asleep during the sessions. Okay, barter, the last one. Barter is, I had announced on some forums that people, I request them to bring hard drives. There are plenty of people who have this thing. After the sessions today, after 8:30 or 9 o'clock, let's get together at a common place. Say Hostel 5. One sec. Pops, Hostel 5 in the evening to get together for post dinner. Okay, fine. We'll announce after lunch as to where we are meeting after 8:30 or 9 o'clock, where we can have discussions of off-session brainstorming. Plus, barter is basically, for example, I have about 20 GB worth of stuff which other people might be interested in. I'm a fan of Steve Jobs, so everything pertaining to Steve Jobs, I have 10 GB data. Movies, trader movies and generic movies, songs and various TV shows. E-books, I have about 1,000 e-books. Okay, it could be probably, I can give it to somebody who is interested, who is seriously interested. I have it here. Somebody else who has the same kind of thing. Let's use this forum. We have 2 days. The days we can use for the strategy sessions. In the evenings we can use for, off-topic stuff like this. Okay, so I come to the end of my brief chat with you. Yes, please. Read my lips. N-O, no. Okay, can we take up this question offline? It's a very sensitive topic. Okay, let me clarify this officially. ECC is Ecumenical Christian Center, which has a healthy living concept. You would have walked around in the campus. How many people took a walk at around 6 o'clock in the morning today? Okay. Can we increase the count to tomorrow? We can all meet at the cafeteria by 6 o'clock, go for a walk, 15-minute walk, brisk walk, no jogging if we don't want to. Come back to the cafeteria and have coffee. Anybody open for it? 6 o'clock. So that, we all, yeah, that will be great. Thank you. So we'll have a short 15-minute, we'll have a short tea break. And tea will be served outside. We can finish our tea and then get started with the strategy sessions. Yeah. Thank you very much. And thank you once again all for coming. It's a real good thing for me that, I consider this a very good birthday gift. Thank you very much. I needed to do some due diligence. Are all of you, whoever is staying here at the venue, you're quite comfortable, apart from the mosquitoes, of course, which we'll again, we've spoken to the venue director, we'll do something about it today in terms of en-masse spraying and stuff like that. And a couple of more points actually. Alcohol and smoking is generally frowned upon in the open areas here by the venue. I just had a chat with the venue director and he said you can smoke in your rooms. Okay, in your rooms there are ashtrays that are placed and you can smoke in your rooms too. And three, I had a quick chat with somebody from the cafeteria and they requested if all of us could move our used plates to the counter to the left of where the food is being served. There's one area to the left of the counter. So if the food can be, if the used plates and cups can be shifted there. And lunch would be at between 1 and 1:30 today. Followed by tea at 4 o'clock. So we'll have Prashant's session now. I very briefly would like to introduce Prashant to you. In the year 2004, okay, Prashant has been a trader, a sub-broker with the Bangalore Stock Exchange. And apart from that, he has also created a technical forum for people interested in technical analysis and who want to make money from the markets, which is practically all of us, I suppose. And He started this in 2004. Today, this forum has about 5,500 members. Is that correct? And that's a great number actually. 5,500 numbers, and it's a free forum. People can get onto the forum, log on, and would you like to add a slide of this at the end of your presentation? Technical investor at yahoogroup.com. Maybe you can make a note of it. When you have some time, you can sign up. It's free. Discussion on technical analysis primarily are the focus on this forum. And it's a, believe me, I've been a part of this forum and it's a great learning experience. For me as well as for a lot of other people. I met most of the speakers from this forum. Technical investor at yahoogroups.com. Yeah, okay. Prashant will give the link for this forum. It's a forum. Please feel free to sign up and do contribute to the forum, to the discussions that happen on the forum. There are a lot of discussions that are happening, very productive, and it's a great learning experience for everybody. And apart from that, Prashant is a very good friend. We meet up frequently till he decided he was sick of some of us at Bangalore and he has gone away to Mumbai to work for Dr. C.K. Narayan. He works for a company. He will talk about that very briefly in his presentation as well. And he will introduce to us the what and why of technical analysis. And his presentation will set the tone for the rest of the 2 days, the talks that will happen on the remaining strategy sessions. It will give you a fundamental, okay, fundamental is not a good word to use in today's technical content. Sorry. We'll lay the foundation for the rest of the day, the rest of the 2 days, what we're going to do, what we're going to talk about, discuss, brainstorm, network, whatever you want to do. The 2 days belong to us. So let's use this 2 days productively. And some people have requested for a third day because they wanted additional time to brainstorm and discuss network, the strategies that have been discussed in the first 2 days. So those people are here. We will stay back for on Sunday also and leave on Sunday night probably. And any questions pertaining to my chat with you, or any questions you might have about the framework of this today event, please feel free to ask me. We'll have about 5 minutes for questions and then get started with the meat of today's meeting for the next 2 days. I know people didn't come to hear speak, it's more to hear the speaker speak. So let's get on with it. If you have any questions, just raise your hand, we'll pass on the mic. Okay, let's get started then. This is Prashant. Good morning, Prashant. Over to you.